Munimap makes geographic information systems easy and inexpensive for municipalities and other users in South Africa, allowing them to readily access spatial information to support daily planning and decision-making. Munimap is a FutureWorks product. While many larger municipalities have fully operational spatial information departments and staff, it's often in the smaller municipalities where this isn't the case. This may mean that they are disempowered, as they don't have access to information and are dependent on others to answer their spatial information queries. This is why we've developed a package of regional and national spatial data which can be accessed using ArcGIS Explorer, a free software package that can be loaded on as many computers as needed and for which there are no licensing fees. This is Munimap. In order to demonstrate how Munimap works, the following query will be resolved. A development has been proposed on portion 19 of the Farm 74 in the Blue Crane Route municipal area. An official from the municipality would like to determine where the farm is located and what environmental constraints exist in the proximity of the proposed development. The user performs a query in the data table of the farm's database in order to locate the farm. In this case, the user is searching for the Surveyor General's 21-digit code, which is a unique identifier for each cadastral unit which is issued by the Surveyor General. Once the query is performed, the user can then zoom in to the farm. By clicking within the farm boundary, the data record is displayed from the table in the farm's database. The proposed development is located by inputting coordinates for a point. Alternatively, this could comprise of an ArcGIS layer, line or polygon, or even a KMZ file from Google Earth. In this example, we are going to create a buffer around the development node of 500 meters using the buffer tool. Once the buffer is created, there is also an option to add notes for reference. The buffer can be shared with other users as a KMZ file, an ArcExplorer object, or an ArcGIS layer, which can be viewed in ArcGIS Explorer, ArcGIS, or Google Earth. A user can also add custom notes which can be displayed when required or shared with others via email. The user can bring up other data layers such as critical biodiversity areas, CBAs shown here, vegetation, slope, etc., in order to query them relative to the area of interest. ArcGIS Explorer uses a ribbon user interface similar to those used in the latest versions of Microsoft Office. The ribbon enables the user quickly to find the required controls to complete a mapping operation or query. The functions are organized in logical groups below tabs. The tabs relate to an activity type, such as adding data or content, or changing the settings that will affect the appearance of a map. ArcGIS Explorer is a free GIS viewer that provides an easy way to explore, visualize, and share GIS information, thus enabling non-GIS users to use GIS data to assist them in the decision-making process. For more information, visit www.futureworks.co.za.